welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Gucci unboxing. So this is going to be my very first Gucci for 2022. And the moment I saw this at the website, I was like, this is going to be the purse that I will be adding on my Gucci collection. And yeah, I was looking around. I was like on the website checking what they have, what's new for 2022. And I think currently they have new items for the Lunar New Year. But anyway, I'm not looking anything for Lunar New Year collection. I am into this particular type of bag that I can use day or night or whenever. So anyway, it was packaged like this with this beautiful ribbon. I really love this ribbon, guys, with this beautiful box right here. And I got, I've never seen this at all. I just literally got this from the mail. So it is, oh wow, it is wrapped with this, wow, tissue paper right there. I love this tissue paper. Very nice. Gucci 100, and I got, okay, so this is the packaging. Okay, so that's the stuffing. Oh, they even got this to protect the purse itself. And it is in the dust bag. So let me just put this aside. It is in this dust bag. The dust bag actually feels like it is a high quality material. Before they have more likely silk. But this time it is a little bit like, I really like it as well. So anyway, here comes my new purse, my new Gucci purse for 2022. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So here's the front, the side, other side, and the back. Wow. This one looks very shiny. The leather feels so beautiful, feels so nice. So anyway, this is a Gucci GG Marmont mini bag. And it is made up of this black chevron matelassé leather. So as you guys can see the pattern right there, the chevron pattern. Actually, if you guys are familiar with Marmont, that is actually the iconic pattern right there. And this matelassé leather, it's more like the quilting, is beautiful. This is really soft. You could actually just squeeze it. It's really soft. And also the bottom as well. The bottom is just plain. It is not, it didn't have this chevron pattern in it. And okay, so let me remove this part here. Oh, this is the strap. This is the handle. Oh my gosh. So the other reason why I got this, it's because I have been looking for a more like a vanity case, but it's in leather. So I think when I saw this in the website, this one is priced as $1,250 US. It's made up of full leather. And I said, I think this one is perfect. I really do think this one is perfect. It is petite, and if this could fit all my essentials, then this would be perfect. So I think for this piece, Gucci made up of leather for $1,250, I think it's priced really well. So anyway, this is the top handle right here. Okay. So right there, the top handle. And let me just take this, the stuffing on the strap. Okay, so the strap actually, okay, here's another tag. So this is the tag that came with it. So, okay, this is the product information right there. And I didn't see the price. So, okay, so this is the strap. The good thing about this strap, it is actually, this one is adjustable. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings right here. So this one has not been attached yet. So let me just put this strap in its lowest, not really lowest, right here. In the 4th setting. So we will be able to see how it looks with the strap. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think this is the perfect vanity case for me. It is actually petite and wow, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Everything is leather in this, guy. So I really think this one is worth it. And then, and also, okay, I'm going to talk about the strap later on, but let's take a look at inside first. So this one has a pull tab right here. Okay. And also I've noticed that this one is made up of, the hardware is made up of this antique gold tone hardware. So it's not going to be very, very shiny or striking shiny color. It's more likely, it is still gold though, but it's muted. So right there. And also I noticed right here that the teeth is actually darker than the hardware. So it's more likely an antiquated color, more like darker color. I'm not sure what the color of these, but it is extremely like darker than this one right here, than the pull tab. So I don't know why there is a contrast between this GG logo right here and the teeth. I don't know why they did not actually put the hardware, this antiquated hardware, like the same hardware. So I have no idea. So anyway, all I know that this one is so cute. And I have to have it for my collection. I've been checking out some of the Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent, and also Louis Vuitton as well, but I don't know, I was not really totally convinced actually with that vanity case. But as soon as I saw this, it was like, okay, this is perfect, the price is perfect, the size is perfect, it has a strap, a top handle, that's exactly what I was looking for, and there you go, I'm sold. So anyway, let's take a look at inside. This one is, it opens like this. It wouldn't go all the way down. Maybe you could actually pull it up more so that you could see inside. So this one is actually lined with this microfiber lining. So as you guys could see right there, the closer look, it is actually in a color beige. Wow, very nice. And that it has a Gucci logo right there at the zipper. This one has a 3-card slot on the back corner of the purse. This is just the product information. I normally don't even bother to look what's written there. So anyway, so this is the interior. Wow, the beautiful interior looks amazing. Wow, these are just the stuffing. Oh my gosh, and it says there, Gucci made in Italy. Right there, it was actually heat stamp. And yeah, this is just pretty much what's inside. It's pretty simple. It's more likely a large opening in it. And it is a large space inside. So yeah, I am already contemplating whether I would just create my own. I could customize my own, the organizer for this, because I know how sensitive I am when it comes to the lighter interior. But I think the contrasting color with this black leather as well as with this beige microfiber lining actually looks great. But if they're all black, or really dark gray, I think it would be perfect. So I don't have to worry about stains. I don't have to worry about any marks at all. But then again, I've always been very careful with my purse. So that's the thing. Whether they're black or white or whatever color that is, I always baby them just to make it sure that they are in great condition. That's just my nature, actually, when it comes on taking good care of my purse. So this one it's just like that, it's just plain. And also this one measures the length for this is around 7.5 inches. So yeah, you could try to figure that one out yourself. And also let me just try to get my mini pochette just to give you a little bit of an idea of the size. So this is my mini pochette, the holiday animation. So this is the size comparison right there. And let me try to put this one inside. So that's how it looks. So maybe 2 mini pochettes fits inside. But just to give you a reference, so this is how it looks with the sizing. Mini pochette actually fits inside perfectly with no problems at all. Let me close this once again. I think the zipper is not the smoothest that I've thought, but that's okay. I could always wax it. So this is how it looks. And now the most interesting part that I've been waiting for. I was with the client advisor on at Gucci, and I asked her if the strap is removable, because now it would be great. It would be like great if the strap is removable, so I could just dress this one up with some chain. So actually, let me just try to pull this. I just saw this. Okay, you could actually pull this one right here, and I noticed right there that you could actually remove this strap. Okay, so this is going to be a challenge because it is just new. It is brand new, but I am determined to take this one out. I just wanted to make it sure that it is removable though. It should come off, but since it is just new, see right there, I think that would come off right there, but it would take time for me to loosen this one up. So I would probably gonna do that later on my next video on what fits on this beauty right here. But right now, yeah, that would come off eventually. So right now, the whole idea is to put a chain in it. I have a chain. This is from Coach, which actually has the same color as the hardware. So what I could do is literally just, I'm not sure if this would actually fit. Oh my gosh, I totally misjudged it. So this one would not fit in here. Not at all. It wouldn't. Oh no, it would. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So let me just, okay, look at that. Wow, I am totally surprised that I could just put this strap right there, the chain strap. So you could just use it by itself. And I was trying to figure it out and how to take this one out. So I have to loosen this one a little bit, pull it out. Yeah, I just really want to make it sure that I'm not going to damage the leather and those rivets right there. So just to give you an idea, So you see that right there? So there's the opening. All you have to do is pull, but right now it is brand new. Everything is intact, so it's so hard to pull that up. But it is so good to know that that is removable, and I can attach a chain strap as well. Okay, Matt. Oh my gosh. This is such a perfect vanity case purse. I'm going to put a twilly right here. Wow, she's so beautiful. The leather is so rich and shiny. Wow, it looks very beautiful and luxurious. And definitely gonna recommend it to everybody if you're looking for a small purse, a mini bag, and I think this one is perfect. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.